بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I'll continue M208 section 1.4. We did this problem. As I said in this section, I'm doing it in parts. We started with solving separable equations where I did many problems, and then talking about singular solution. Also, we did many problems. Now we'll go to the applications. Also, I split it into two parts. Growth and decay, the modeling growth and decay, and the other one, which is Newton's law of cooling. Okay, so let me talk about the growth and decay. What is the idea? The idea, roughly, we have the rate of change of a quantity, P, usually relation of something, with respect to time, is proportional to the value of P. That means dP of dt proportional to P, which I can write it as this. This is my differential equation. This is the differential equation, where I can solve it using, it's a separable one, very clear it's separable. Yeah, from here, it's very clear it's separable. The solution will be this. That's it. This is what I want to use. Just I will use this information. P equal C constant e to the power kt. This is C, usually the P0, P at 0. Since at T equals 0, I'm getting C equal P at 0. Okay. In general, if K is positive, means they have a growth. If K is negative, then they have a decay in this quantity. Okay. Now, also we have what's called half-life. Half-life, especially with the decay. If there is a decay where the amount starts with A0, if it reach half of its original quantity, half A0, then we call the time when that happens the half-life of that substance, of that element. Okay. Now let us do the examples, just basic examples, so that we understand what's going on. You will see this statement. That means what? dP by dt is proportional to P. That means there exists a K. This is equal to Kp. Which is, if we solve it, we have P of T equals C AKT. This is what you need. So I have P of T equals C AKT. Usually, they gave me some information, not always, but usually, they gave me some information. Well, I need to find C, I need to find K. Then he asked me about another information. Okay, the initial is 500, I mean, the initial. So P at 0 equal 500. In 10 years, increase it by 15%. So P at 10 will be 500 times 1.15. Since I have 15% increase. If we do the calculation, I think this is 575, something like this. Yeah, you can check it by the calculator. Yeah, that will be 575. Okay, the question is, the first one, find P at 30. The second one, how fast is population growing at T equals 30? Second one is what? And find dP over dt at 30, at T equals 30. Okay. Now let us start. I'll use this information. P at 0, which is 500, equals C. I'm doing it in details. 0 times K, that gives me C. So C equal 500. So P of T will be 500 EKT. Now I'll use this information. 575 is P at 10. So I have 500 E 10K. 10K. So do the calculation that 575 over 500 equal 10K, equal e to the power 10K, sorry, equal e to the power 10K. So what I will do, I will take len of both sides. I have len of this. What is this? This is 1.15, huh? We know that 575 from here over 500 is 1.15. So this is len 1.15 equal 10K. So K is 1 over 10 len 1.15. Okay. So that means P of T is what? Is 500 E T over 10 len 1.15. That means what he want now, B30, just substitute T equal 30, 500 E cubed 30 over 10, which is 3, len 1.15, which is 500 E to the power len 1.15 cubed. Len will be gone. 1.15 cubed. If we do the calculation, that will be approximately 760. Okay. Now the next one, if this is P of T, I need to find dP, the derivative of this. That will be what? K 500. K times EKT. Okay. Which is K times P at 30. Which is K, this is K. So it's 1 over 10 len 1.15 times 760, which is approximately, calculator, 10.62. Okay, so that is saying how fast is the relation, which is the derivative of a P over dt. Another question. Here we don't have numbers. No need for what is B0, but we can deal with it. A culture initially has B0. So P at 0 is P0. At T equal 1, the number becomes like this. So P at 1 is 32 P0, 3 over 2 P0. If the rate of growth is proportional to this, that means what? dP by dt equal Kp, which means P of T equals C AKT. What is the question? Determine the time necessary for the number of bacteria to travel. Find T when P of T will be 3 P0. Okay, this is the question. So I have this information, and he asked me about this. And this is the equation I will use. So P0 equal P at 0. That will be C E0. So C is P0. So P of T is P0 AKT. Second one, 3 over 2 P0 equal P at 1, which is P0 EK. I don't need the value P0 since this is cancelled. So I have K will be len 3 over 2. That implies in the P of T is P0 e to the power T len 3 over 2. What he want? He want the time where P of T is equal 3P0. I need to find 3P0 when it will be, what is the time when I reach 3P0? That T len 3 over 2. So P0 cancelled. That implies, and take ln, so I have ln 3 equal T ln 3 over 2. That implies T will be equal to what? Ln 3 over ln 3 over 2. Yeah, which is, if we do the calculator, 2.71. Since I'm using hours, that will be hours. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes you need to be careful about the statements written. Sugar is dissolved in water. Okay. The rate of change, the amount of sugar that is undissolved after T minutes is proportional to S. Okay. Just to be sure, and I'm doing it correctly. Okay. If the rate will change, the amount S of sugar remains undissolved. Okay. So S is what? Undissolved amount. Remains undissolved, you call it S. Okay. Now, the rate of change of this S will be proportional to S. So I have ds by dt equal ks. So I have S at t equal to S at t will be C ekt. Like what we did before. Ks. Yeah. C ekt. Okay, well, t is the time. Okay. Look at the statement. I have 25% dissolved after 1 minute. That means what? Because I'm dealing with undissolved. Huh? So that means 75% remains undissolved. So be careful about the step. Okay. So what kind of information I have? Yeah, for sure. At zero, S at zero, we call it S0. Like what you usually do. But now, after 1 minute, S at 1 is what? Is 75% or 75, let me say, 75 over 100 of S0, which is 3 over 4 S0. What they want? Find T where when S of T equal half S0. How long does it take for half to dissolve? So S of T equal find T. Okay. Let us use this information. This and this one to find this. Okay. So I start S of T equals C AKT. For sure that give me S of 0 equal S0 is equal to C. So my function is S of 0 AKT. Now use this information. 3 over 4. S of 0 will be S at 1. And that is 0 EK. E to the power K. Cancelled. That means K is ln 3 over 4. So that means S of t will be S of 0, E t ln 3 over 4. Now I need to do this. So when S of t equal half S of 0, which is S of 0, I need to find the time. That means what? S of 0 cancelled, take ln, say half ln half equal ET ln 3 over 4. So t is what? Ln half over ln 3 over 4. Which is, if I use the calculator, that will be 2.4, 2.41 minutes. Okay. So sometimes you need to read the statement and be careful about the formula. Okay, now relation bacteria grows at proportional this. What is this? P of t equal C EKT. The initial is 400. So P at 0, 400. After 2 hours, its absorbed was 700 becomes. So P at 2, 700. What they want? What after 6 hours? Find P at 6. That's the question. Okay, let us do the calculation. Now I need this 400 equal P at 0, which is C. So P of t equal 400 EKT. I'll use this one. 700 equal P of t, which is what? 400 E2K. So I have what? I divide. So I have 7 over 4 equal E2K. So K is half ln 7 over 4. So P of t is what? 400 E t over 2 ln 7 over 4. Now what I want, P at 6, it will be 400 E 6 over 2, which is 3 ln 7 over 4. And this one I can write it 400 E to the power ln 7 over 4 cubed, which is 400 E with ln will go 7 over 4 cubed, which is 400. 7 cubed is 343. 4 cubed is 64. If you do the calculation, that will be something like this. This is calculator, huh? But this is, yeah, this is my answer. Okay. Okay. We have this statement, which means P of t equals C AKT. Initially is A0. So P at 0 is A0. After 1 hour, the number is this. P at 1, 5 over 4, A0. You can use A, P, it's okay. Find T, the question. Find T when A equals 3A0 and P. Call it A. Let me call it A. Okay. So let me call it A of T. Okay. So C is A0. Very clear. A of T will be A0 EKT. Using this one, I have 5 over 4 A0, which is A at 1, which is A0 EK. Cancelled. معناها K is what? Ln 5 over 4. Now I'll use this. I need to find T. So I have 3A0, which is A of T. I need to find T. Oh, by the way, what will be B of T here? I'll plug K. So I have A0, e to the power T, ln 5/4. So that will be A0, e to the power T, ln 5/4. Cancelled. So K is what? Or T is what? Take ln. Let me do it in steps. So take ln. So I have ln 3 equal T ln 5/4. So T will be ln 3 over ln 4, 5/4. Sorry. 5, which is this? Which is approximately 492. Is using what hours? Nothing. He did not specify any unit. So it's 4.92. Well, hours. He put hours here. Sorry. So this is hours. Okay. A certain city has a nation of this. And in the statement, assume that there's exponentially. This is another set at a constant rate. This statement means what? P of T equal, let me see, C AKT. C is B0, huh? What's okay? Now, what I have? A certain city has mentioned in 2000, 1960, 30,000, 1970. What they want? Find P at 2000. I'll do this trick. I will consider this T equals 0 as years, huh? And this is T equal 10, and this is T equal 40. So the question is, I know P at 0 is 25,000. P at 10 is 30,000. And the question, find P at 40. I'll do this trick. Okay. So I have C will be P0, huh? So I have P of T is 25,000 AKT. Okay. That, and I will use this. So I have 30,000, 30,000, 25,000. Yeah, equals 25,000 E 10K. Divide, I'm getting what? 6/5 equal E 10K. So K equal 1/10, then 6/5. So P of T will be 25,000 e to the power T over 10, then 6/5. Now P at 30, P at 40, not 30, sorry. P at 40, it will be what? 25,000 E 40/10, which is e to the power 4, then 6/5. In other words, that will be 25,000. Let's take it as a power. E to the power ln 6/5 to the power 4. So that 25,000 times 6/5 to the power 4. If we do the calculation, yeah, that will be 51840. Okay. The reactor converts relatively stable uranium into this. After Okay, now be careful. I want the what? What is the, where is the statement of the rate? Find the half-life if the rate of this disintegrations of proportional to the amount remaining. Okay. Okay. Amount remaining, huh? So I have the statement is what? dA by dt will be Ka, which means A of t C AKT. Okay. He said 0.043 of the initial A0. I have A at 0 equal A0. Okay. Disintegrated. It means what? If 0.043% of A0 disintegrated, and I care about what? The amount remaining. That means, I have to make it 100, that it means 99.957, huh? Yeah, 043 with 957, that give me 1, huh? And then I have 99. That will give me 10%, 100% of A0 remains. That means A at 15 is 0.99957 A0. And be careful about this. This is the information I get it from here. Okay. Find half-life. The question is find half-life. Which means what? Find T when A of T equal half A0. Okay, so I'll use this statement. So I have A of T. First, it's A0. At T equals 0. That give me A0. Now I'll use this statement. That implies in the 0.99957 A0 equal A0 when T is what? 15. 15K. Okay. Do the calculation. I have what? This is A0 cancelled. So I have 15K equal ln of this. That implies K equal 1 over 15 ln of this. That implies A of T will be A0 e to the power T over 15 ln of this strange number. Okay. Now we need to check half-life. Half-life means what? When A of T equal half A0. So I have half A0 equal A of T, which is A0. I need to find the time. T over 15 ln 0.99957. Okay, A0 cancelled. Take ln. So you have ln half equal T over 15 ln 0.99957. So T is what? T will be 15 ln half over ln 0.99957. Matter of calculation. Okay. That will give me the answer. That will give me the time. Okay. Yeah, you can do it by the calculator. Assume that a radioactive isotopic decays at a rate proportional to this. This is the statement. Just to tell you, I have this equation. P of t equals C A K T. I have the differential equation, and this is the solution of that differential equation. Okay. 9 kilogram quantity decays to 3. So it means start, let me call it A of t. So A at 0 is 9, and after 20 years, A at 20 becomes 3. Find K. We said find K. Decay constant, which is K. This is my first question. So let me do number 1. I have A of 0, 9, so A of t will be 9 EKT. I'll use this to find K. Now I have 3 equal A at 20, 9 E20K. So divide by 9, I have 1 over 3 equal E20K. So K will be what? 1 over 20, ln 1 over 3. That will be K, which is, I can write it, which is this one. Yeah, ln over 3, I can minus ln 3 over 20. K is negative because we have a decay. The second question, find the half-life. What's the meaning of half-life? Means you need to find T. Find T. Find T when A of T have A0. Second part, have A0 equal A of T. By the way, if K is this, what will be A of T? It will be 9 E minus T. Yeah, it's T over 20 ln 1 over 3. I think this is better. T over 20 ln 1 over 3. Okay, so I'll put it here. Of T is what? 9 E. By the way, half A0 is 9. So it's half times 9. Okay, is equal to 9 E T over 20 ln 1 over 3. Half 9, because 9 is my starting point. This is half of it. So it means half equal E. I divide by 9, 1 over 3. Take ln, so I have ln half equal T over 20 ln 1 over 3. So what will be T? T will be 20 ln half over ln 1 over 3. If I take 2 to the power minus 1, 3 to the power minus 1, that will kill each other. That will be 20 ln 2 over ln 3 years. And a certain culture of bacterium, okay, increased 6-fold in 10 years. Start, we say B of T is B0, or say AKT. P at 0 equal B0. I have B at 10 is 6B0. Find T, which is find T when P of T equal to B0. Okay, so I have P of T. I know C is B0, EKT. I'll use this to find K. So I have 6 P0, which is P at 10, will be P0 E 10K. Cancelled. Take len. So you have len 6 equal 10K. So K equal 1 over 10 len 6. Okay. Plug it. So I have B of T will be what? P0 E T over 10 len 6. Then I find T when I have this. So I have 2P0 equal B of T. I need to find T now. So this is cancelled. Take len. So you have len 2 equal what? T over 10 len 6. So that implies T is 10 len 2 over len 6 hours. It's using hours. Okay. The units. Okay. Question of fruit trace proportional to this. This means what? P of T equal B0 EKT. That the number of fruit flies is 200 in the second day. Yeah. He did not tell me what it will be. Yeah, because the T equals 0, it's P0. Huh? He said it's P at 2 is 200. P at 7 is 800. How many flies were there in the original? Find P0, which is P at 0. It's a little bit different than the previous ones. Now he gave me what happened after 2 days, and after 7 days, he wants what is the original value. Okay, let us do the calculation. I need this. This means what? 200 equal P at 2 equal P0, which I want, which I am looking for, E2K. I will use this. 800 equal at 7. That will be P0, E7K. I need to find P0. This is what I'm looking for. Can do one trick. I divide these two equations. So I get rid of B0. I can find K, then I can find B0. So this is what I will do. Divide. This is call it 2. This is call it 1. So divide 2 by 1. Divide 2 by 1. You get what? 4 equal e to the power 5k. 7k minus 2k, which is 5k. Solve for k. I have len 4 equal 5k. So k equal 1 over 5 len 4. Then substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. Substitute this in 1. I get what? 200 equal B0 E 2 over 5 len 4. 2 over 5 len 4. That means okay. And this is equal P0 E len 4 to the power 2 over 5. And that give me P0 times 4 to the power 2 over 5. So it will be my P0. It will be 200 over this number. 4 to the power 2 over 5. If we do the calculator, that will be 115. Okay. Now we'll do all the exam problems. Just to be sure, no, I don't have a long video. So how long is this video? temperature. Okay, let me continue. These are all the exam problems. I think I have not that much, so we can do. Okay, we can do quickly. Population of bacteria. This. P of t equal B0 AKT. Okay. After 3 hours, 400. So P at 3, 400. After 10 hours, 2000. So B 2000. B at 10 is 2000. Find P0. Let us do it quickly. 400 equal P0 E3K. 2000 equal B0 18K. I divide 2 by 1. I have 5 equal E7K. So that implies K equal what? 1 over 7 ln 5. Substitute here. Substitute this here. I have 400 equal P0 e to the power 3 over 7 ln 5, which is P0 ln 5 to the power 3 over 7, which is P0 5 3 over 7. So that means P0 is 400 over 5 cubed under the 7th root. 5 cube is what? Cube root 125. Watch it this one. Yeah. Certicity. Yeah, look, now in the old exam, they will make it where I don't need the calculator. They will make the numbers in a way, but I don't need the calculator. Okay. I have 1960. This is equality equals 0. So 1970, this is t equal 10. 2000 means I need to find it when t equal 40. So I have what? I have this relation. I have P at 0 is 25,000. P at what? At 10 is 50,000. Find P at 40. So I have P of t equal 25,000 EKT. Use this. So 5,000, 50,000 equal 25,000, 18K. I'm using this one. So I have what? 2 equal 18K. So K equal 1 over 10 ln 2. So P of t 25,000 E t over 10 ln 2. What I need? P at 40. P at 40 will be what? 5,000 times E 40 over 10, that is 4. 4 ln 2. Okay. Next over. Yeah, that will be what? 2 to the power 4, which is 16. So it will be 25,000 times E. Let me do it in details. 2 to the power 4. This is E with ln will go. So I have 25,000 times 16. 25 times 16, that will be 400. So it will be 400,000. Which is this one. Okay, this is 25,000 here. 1960. So T equals 0. And T equal 10. Find it at T equal 20. It was 1960 to 1980, this is 20. So we'll do it again. P of t will be 25,000, which is B0 EKT. I'll use this. P at 10, which is equal 30,000. Equal 25,000 E 10K. Divide, I have 6/5 equal E 10K. So K is what? 1/10 ln 6/5. So P of t is what? 25,000 E to the power T/10 ln 6/5. Okay, now P at 20 would be what? 25,000 E 2 ln 6/5. And that give me what? Take 2 to the power. That will be 25,000 times 36/25, which is very clear. That gave me 36,000. What's it this? Okay. Is known to increase the trade proportional P of t equal B0 AKT. Okay. Says in 8 hours, in 8 years, I know P at 8 is 3B0. Find T when P of t equal 4B0. Okay, so I'll use this. I have 3B0 equal B of 8 equal B0 E 8K. Cancelled. Take ln. So K equal what? 1/8 ln 3. So B of t will be B0 AT/8 ln 3. Substitute this. So I have 4B0 to find t equal P of t, which is B0 T/8 ln 3. Cancel, take ln. I have ln 4 equal T/8 ln 3. So it will be T. It will be 8 ln 4 over ln 3, which is this. Easy ones. I think now we are familiar with what's going on. This is B at 0.5. 40 in 15 hours. So B15 equal 40. How long did it take for the operation to be 10? Find T when B at T equal 10. Yeah, do the calculation. I have B of T, B0, which is 5, AKT. B15, that will be 40, equal B15, equal 5, E15K. I'm solving for K. Divide, that will be 8, equal E15K. So K is what? 1/15 ln 8. I need to find T when B of T equal 10. So I have 10. Yeah, before that, I will do what is P of T. It will be 5 E T/15 ln 8. Okay, now we need to find 10 equal P of T equal 5 E T/15 ln 8. So I have 2 equal, divide by 5. 2 equal E T/15 ln 8. Take ln, I have ln 2 equal T/15 ln 8. So what will be T is 15 ln 2 over ln 8. Ln 3, ln 8 is what? That will be 15 ln 2. This is 2 cubed. So it will be 3 ln 2. So this is cancelled. 15/3 is 5, which is this. So I said, as I said in the old exam, they will try to make the numbers easy to calculate. you can find easily. Okay. Let me do this quickly. He gave you this calculation. Okay. Set the calculated number of initially 1000 plus B of T equal 1000 EKT. Okay. 2 hours P of T 1500. The population, this is the information. Find T when B of T equal 2250. That's the question. خلاص. Plug the numbers. 1500 1000 E2K. Divide, you get what? Sure, no, I'm not doing any mistake. Okay, so that give me 3 over 2. No, 15 over 10. Yeah, 3 over 2 equal E2K. So K is what? Half ln 3 over 2. So B of T will be 1000 e to the power T over 2 ln 3 over 2. Now find this. So I have 2250 equal B of T equal 1000 E T over 2 ln 3 over 2. Okay. That give me what? Be careful with the calculation. Now I divide by 1000. So I have 2250 over 1000 equal E T over 2 ln 3 over 2. Let me check this. This is 0 gone. This is what? This is 15 square. This one, yeah, he said this is 15 square. And this is 10 square. Oh no, 15 over 10. This is 3 over 2. So I have 3 over 2 square is equal E to the power T over 2 ln 3 over 2. Take ln of both sides. So I have 2 ln 3 over 2 equal T over 2 ln 3 over 2. This is cancelled. So T equal 2 times 2, which is 4. Which is this calculation. The number of material doubled after 3 hours. So P at 3, 2P0. Find T when P of T equals 3B0. I have P of T equal B0 EKT. 2B0, it's P at 3, which is B0 E3K. So K cancelled, huh? K will be what? 1 over 3 ln 2. So P of T will be B0 ET over 3 ln 2. Find this. So we have 3B0 equal B of T, which is B0 E3 over T over 3 ln 2. Cancelled. Take ln. I have ln 3 equal T over 3 ln 2. So T is what? 3 ln 3 over ln 2. This is 2. 3 ln 3 is what? Ln 27 over ln 2. This will go as a power. So I have this. Okay. This is, I think, quick ones. Pollution town, 5,000. P at 0, 5,000. The next 15 years, 20,000. So P at 15, 20,000. Find T when P of T equal 45,000. Oh, let us do the calculation. P of T is 5,000 EKT. Now we'll use this. 20,000. Let me do it quickly. Equal no, 500. 20,000 is equal 5,000 E 15K. Okay, so divide by 5,000, I have 4 equal E 15K. So K is equal 1 over 15 ln 4. Take ln and divide by 15. Okay, so P of T will be 5,000 E to the power T over 15 ln 4. I need to find this. So for 45,000 equal P of T, which is 5,000 E to the power T over 15 ln 4. Divide, I have 1 over 9. That will be 1 over 9. When you divide by 5, 45 over 5 is 1 over 9. 9, I mean, sorry. So 9 equal E T over 15 ln 4. Take ln, I have ln 9 equal T over 15 ln 4. So it will be T, it will be 15 ln 9 over ln 4, which is, we just leave it as this. A factory produced 200 cars in 10 years. A factory initial population was 100. So P at 0, 100. P at 10, 200. How many cars did it produce at the end of 20th year? Find P at 20. And he give you this information, so you have that relation. V of T will be B0 EKT, which is 100 EKT. Now use this, 200 equal 100 E10K. Divide, so 2 equal E10K. So K is what? 1 over 10 ln 2. So P at T is what? 100 E T over 10 ln 2. What you want? P at 20. I have 100 E2 ln 2, which is 100 E ln 4, 2 square. So I have 100 times 4, which is 100. Yeah, I think this is the last one. A farmer grows fish. He starts with 1,000. This is P0, 1,000. After 1 year, 5,000. So P at 1, P at 0, 1,000. P at 1 is 1,500. Blah, blah, blah. What he want? Find T when P of T equal 2250. Okay. I think this is similar to this one. Similar to which one? Yeah, almost similar to this one. This is bacteria, this is something else, but same calculation. And the answer should be 4. Answer equal. Yes. Same. This is the same, huh? If you notice, this is the same. The information is the same. So no need to do that. Is it the same? No, wait a minute. No, this is 2 hours. This is 1 hour. Okay, okay. Let me do it. This is 1. This is 2. Yeah, it's a little bit difference. Calculation is so P of T 1,000 EKT. P at 1. He said after 1 year. So P at 1. So I have 1,500 equal 1,000 EK. So I have 3 over 2. 15 over 10, which is 3 over 2, equal EK. So K equal ln 3 over 2. It will be easier actually. So P of T equal 1,000 E T ln 3 over 2. Okay. Now I'll use this 2250 equal 1,000 ET ln 3 over 2. I divide by 10,000. The trick is what? This is 0, and this is 15 square, and this is 10 square. So I have 3/2 square, huh? 15/10 is 3/2 square equal this. Take len, I have 2, len 3/2 equal t, len 3/2. So this is cancelled, so t equal 2, not 4, huh? Because p at 1 in this one, p at 2 in that one. So t equal 2 years. Okay. Now we'll finish all the ones about the growth and decay, all the questions. And then I think we'll go to the Newton's law of cooling, which it will be in the next recording. Let me go to the recording. Where is it? I will stop the recording. Thank you.